My name is Dr. John Mativo. I'm the Managing Director and the CEO of the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, formerly called KETRACO. Currently, Marsabit is supplied the whole county using isolated generation, especially Marsabit. There's generators that are normally used using diesel to supply power within the area, but a lot of some people have supplemented the power supply using solar panels, which definitely operate well during the daytime, but at night they lose power. But what KETRACO plans to do, and what we're doing across the country, is to ensure the grid, national grid, reaches various areas. And specifically for this county of Marsabit and this town of Marsabit, KETRACO plans to do a transmission line from Loiyangalani, where we have the largest wind plant in Africa. So we'll build a line from there, a 220 kV line, all the way to Marsabit. At the same time, we'll also do a line from Isiolo to bring power all the way to Marsabit. So very soon we'll have 220 kV lines starting to bring power to Marsabit to ensure that we have reliable power in this place. We also build a big substation within vicinity of the town, where we'll have voltage step down from 220 to 33. Then our sister organization, utility company, Kenya Power, is going to actually distribute the power both to the town and the neighboring regions. That's what we plan to do in this area. If you move around Marsabit, let me start first with the challenges, because you've got a chance to be able to speak to the administration, to various stakeholders in town, and we can see actually the pain of having unreliable diesel generators in town. So whether it's the hospital, the equipment, and just being able to run the services, they need reliable power and regular power. And we've actually seen days that have gone without power. So that's one area. Then there's a water company. Water has to be pumped from lower parts of Marsabit all the way to the hills of Marsabit town, where we're located. Again, when there's no power, the town can go without water. So whether it's hotels, entertainment sector, whoever it is, greatly affected by lack of power, lack of having reliable power. Then obviously nobody would want to invest in a place where you're not assured of reliable power. So the benefits of KETRACO line will be, let me mention three first. One of them is that we are going to ensure that we have reliable power. The quality of power is going to improve once it gets to Marsabit. And from history, all lines who have been operating for the last 15 years, KETRACO lines operate at 99.95% availability. So that's the kind of quality of power that we're bringing on board. Secondly, the lines we're bringing at 220 kV will have a capacity of 250 megawatts. That's enough power to come and supply to Marsabit and the greater region. Just for comparison purposes, the whole of Eldoret today and the surrounding areas consumes around 50 megawatts of power. So the amount of power we're bringing to Marsabit is definitely going to be both adequate and is going to be reliable. The third thing is the cost of just their businesses. With reduction in the use of diesel generators, fuel is a very expensive component in running a business or even running your house. So we'll be able to knock off that price. So our lines will definitely bring adequate power, reliable power, and also reduce the cost. Then we believe that this place has opportunities for investment, and the kind of investment that will be brought to this place of Marsabit is the one that actually can be attracted because we have reliable power in this area here. So those are benefits to expect. Then hospital facilities, the machines, they'll be able now to bring more and more machines. We've talked to KBC but regarding their transmission, again, for them to be able to reach the network and broadcast the signals, they require good, reliable power, because the equipment, they've been going through a time of difficult time when they have been losing equipment, then be able to expand beyond. So we expect once our line is here, regions within 50, 60 kilometers will easily be served from this place. So the benefits go beyond just Marsabit town, but in terms of the neighboring areas of this place here. I know the project, the promises have been there for long to the people of Marsabit regarding the project, but now we come to a point where the only step remaining is to update our documentation, all our studies. We're expecting actually the new financing protocols to be signed in September, so that before the end of the year, we can have a contractor start the project. And in less than 24 months, Marsabit is going to be connected to the region. So we're calling for the support from the leaders, from the administration, government administration that is here. We are calling for support from the communities to support us even get a way to reduce the timeline to finish this project. I believe also have impact in the greater area in this place here. So thank you so much.